What we doing? Who moving in? Who moving in? Uh-oh.
Lord Jesus.
Hey, what's up? This your boy Norris. Welcome back to another Doing Shit episode. Like I always say, doing shit is for us fellas because sometimes our significant others sometimes forget, so we have to remind them that we still know how to do shit. Alright, so today I am helping moving my mother-in-law into her new apartment, and we moved all her stuff out and we going to put it in. The only thing I'm trying to figure out how to accomplish during this move, because she's on the second floor, is how to get this huge sofa up. And the sofa has a bed in it, which makes it even heavier. And I'm by myself, so y'all like, a sofa upstairs, you do that all the time. But people don't do it all the time by themselves, and it's not this type of sofa that you can just do by yourself. All right. So the stuff that I'm gonna be using today are my two dollies right here. I'm probably gonna be using this the most. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this one because I can lean it on this and go stair by stair. But since I'm by myself, it might be too much weight for one end. So I might be using this, and let me show you what the stairs are. Stairs are right here, concrete. So I wanna be sure not to brush the sofa up against it because it can scratch the sofa a little bit. And there it is, the room, the apartment is to the immediate left, so I don't have much to go once I get up the stairs. All right, check me out. First what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to push it out as much as I can. And I'm probably gonna do it, I'm probably gonna put this on that end over there so it won't slide on the floor of the truck. Right now that I have it on the ground, all I have to do is take the wheels from that end, put on this end, and kind of roll it out. Okay, this is the tricky part. Now, because the narrow part of the sofa is this part, so I want it on its back, and I think it'll go up smoothly like that. But with the other dolly, it's gonna be too much weight to go up one by one. So what I'm thinking is I can take some of my cloths and lay them on the stairs and just start flipping the sofa up the stairs. Look at my white face. Turn around, look and see your face. So these right here is gonna protect the cloth up against the sofa so the concrete stairs won't scratch it. All right, so I have all my cloth laid out on the stairs. And the only ones that is not protected is gonna be one of them will pass anyway. When I lay the sofa down, it's already gonna be on that level. And then a couple of flips, I should be up to the top. So let's see. Oh.
There you go.
One flip. Okay, so it's on the stairs on the tip. Have to get the dolly so I won't scratch when I push it. Doing shit. I'm gonna pull these up because I don't want to get sued by the neighbors. I think it's better for me to keep it standing up on this side like that because I have limited space right here. Oh, we good, baby. We good. Okay, so my strategy here is pretty much, you see how it's too big to go? I'm gonna put the wheels on the bottom so it can turn and kind of go in that way. Let's see if that works. I'm gonna just do this. So I have cloth up under it so it won't get scratched. Pass me that, baby. This is the only help I needed now. want y'all to know that. Sweat in my eye. And I have to open it, keep the door open at the same time. Oh, you can put some cloth right there, baby?
It's gonna slam on the ground.
Huh?
It's gonna slam on the ground.
No, I got it. Okay, now I have the wheels on this side. I have to crawl to get out so I can go on that side. Okay. She was afraid it was gonna slide on the ground, but I'm on this side. What we doing? Who moving in? Who moving in? Uh-oh.
Lord Jesus.
Oh, that's nothing. Now that's how you move a sofa bed at that upstairs all by yourself. It's quarantine, it's hard to get work. You don't want to put people at risk trying to help you, thinking that they're gonna catch coronavirus. So this is the most social distancing moving experience that you will be able to do yourself. Appreciate you watching. My name is Norris once again. And if you ain't up on doing shit, it's the episodes about just doing shit around the house for your significant other, your wife, your girlfriend, your mom, whoever it is. You can always do something because sometimes people be forgetting you still know how to do shit. Holla, holla.